smallest one and also least expensive. SparkMaker SLA 3D printer. As you can see just by the packaging, it's tiny. Go ahead and unpack it here. I had it open to check it for shipping damage already. Got our power supply. There's our protective hood. Just lost my resin right there. Secured. Printer itself. Resin vat. My understanding they had some issues with the resin vats leaking. I guess it was an old plastic design. These are metal now. Very small though. Instruction manual. And that's pretty much it. A few differences here. As you can see, there's no display, no kind of user interface whatsoever. It's all plastic. I mean, everything's plastic. Interesting, the LCD screen and this glass covering it there appears to be held on with electrical tape. That's interesting. Oh, there is. Take that back. There is an accessory. There is a hex key. Oh, and the WOW logo. I guess you have to apply that yourself. So we'll go about getting this set up and get a print going on it. Now, this uses SD cards. SD card was not included, so there's no factory print included. So we're going to use a Brook, basically the same model that I'll be included, but I'm going to use a different one. I'm going to download the one that Make Magazine used, and we'll use that since there's nothing included with it. We'll get it set up, get it running, and see how it compares. So we're going to go ahead and install the resin vat. First thing I noticed, kind of annoying, is that you use the hex key to install your resin vat. That'd be an easy fix, so. Alright. There we go. Alright, now, first thing we're going to do is level the bed. Go ahead and turn it on. On-off switch is inline. And then we're loosening these 4 set screws. It's free to go. Now we're going to lower front surface here all the way down, which you do by just turning the knob. Instructions say lower it all the way down, so that's where it went, that's where it can stop. Tighten up these screws. I'm going to use this ball end hex key. Save me a little time. Kind of tough to get through these. I don't want to tighten it too much here because the part tightening into is actually plastic. Metal versus plastic, we know who wins. Give me just one last little tweak there. All right. Raise it out of there again. Now the resin did not come with any resin. This is the resin I bought from Amazon. And it says LCD BG resin, which is great, except I have no idea what that is. There's no indication anywhere on their website. The only thing I could find was listings on eBay selling it. When I went to slice the model for it, didn't come with a model. I downloaded the SparkMaker slicer, and it didn't come with a model, so I used the Rook, similar to the one that Elden used. They were careful enough to tell us not to eat the resin, so they do care about our health. So we'll go ahead and pour this in there. All right. Now, this particular printer, don't resin anymore, uses SD rather than USB. There's no interface, obviously, so you just load your model on the SD card, insert it, and supposedly push the print button. Now kick back and wait. That's amazing. I'll do what I normally do. I'll watch, see if it appears to be starting to print. And if it does, I'll let it go. It estimated about 3 hours for this print, 3.5 hours, I believe. So, let it go, let it do its thing, and come back and check it. I end up using the resin exposure settings for the tough resin, which is what I had ordered. I don't know if they're changing the names or what, so we'll see how it works. If we need to adjust, we'll adjust. I can see some UV light come outside there, so evidently it's at least trying to print. Just let the cover on and let it do its thing. Alright, so we're back with the SparkMaker. Ran its first print. It was about 3 hours. Of course, there's no way to tell because there's no LCD display or anything on this printer. It just stops when it stops and the light turns green. And we're going to open it up for the first time, see if there's a print on there or not. And there's something on there. That's always a good sign. Raise the print bed up. Yeah. And there's definitely a little rook on there. Smaller file than what we printed on the Elden Mars, obviously, but we'll pop it off, clean it up, see what it looks like. Alright, so we cleaned it up there. I don't know how well you can see it with this camera. Of course, I'll post some higher resolution pictures of it. It's a pretty decent little print, pretty good detail. The double helix inside there is intact. Can almost make out the lettering on top, but not too bad. You can definitely see the effects of the slightly lower resolution screen. A little bit of what you would describe as kind of pixelation in there. I don't know how well you can see it, but overall, I mean, it's a good little print. So we'll let that post cure, and I'll get some better pictures of it and post those on the website.